kid solving world hunger, actor turned day trader, a teen leading mass protests have in common with Kylie and Kendall Jenner? They all made the Time Magazine 2014 list of most influential teens. Hey guys, I'm Morgan Manousos, and this is Buzz 60. There's no doubt the Jenner sisters' influence extends worldwide with their fame from their family's show, their new book, business, and modeling careers. But some people are not happy their names appear alongside teens who are actually changing the world, like youngest ever Nobel Peace Prize winner Malala Yousafzai and the Obama sisters. And they are taking to social media to slam the magazine. One Twitter user even said if we live in a world where Kendall and Kylie are the most influential teens, she doesn't want any part of it. People are wondering how they even ended up on the list. Sarcastic Honey wants to know if it's just because they're rich. Time chose the rankings by analyzing cultural accolades, business acumen, and social media following. Both sisters have over 7 million Twitter followers. So it shouldn't surprise you they won. They're teens. Time is just going by the same process of finding a homecoming queen. Popularity. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.